This isn't a classroom, it's a launch pad. While textbooks teach theory, our students at Mangalam World School Vaishali are building the future. Welcome to our STEAM lab, where ideas become innovations. Here's what makes this space revolutionary: science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics don't exist in separate periods anymore. They blend in seamlessly as students tackle real-world problems. This isn't about following instructions from a manual. Our students design, create, and innovate from scratch. And here's the truth about innovation: it's messy. First attempts fail, prototypes break, designs need rethinking, but that's exactly the point. With hands-on tools, digital resources, and dedicated mentorship, students learn the most valuable lesson of all: how to fail forward. They analyze what went wrong, approve their approach, and test again until they succeed. What emerges from this process isn't just a working prototype. It's students who think critically, solve problems creatively, and collaborate effectively. They're not memorizing formulas, they're applying them. They're not reading about innovation, they're living it. They're building confidence, resilience, and skills that textbooks alone could never teach. This is what education sounds like when curiosity meets capability. This is Mangalam World School Vaishali, where students don't just prepare for the future, they build it. Visit our STEAM lab and see innovation in action. Book your campus tour today.